if we're talking about AI, there's an interesting, buzz term that is coming out, and that's MCP. And this middle language, middle standard that is coming in. I think it was Anthropic that put it up. It's Modal Context Protocol. And it allows what everyone's talking about, agentic AI. It allows your LLM to interact and talk to any clients that are being built. So loads of people are building these little clients to help you write stories or help you create an image. And then it has to connect to a large language model. When that new model is created, all the developers have to go and change their code and all that. MCP stands in that middle bit and allows the interoperability between large language models and client AI applications.
Yeah, and there's a question related to this, which I think I'm going to pick up. Basically, the poster says, my dev teams want all the content in Markdown for AI consumption. Metadata and semantic tagging is stripped out of our beautiful XML. So yeah, this is a huge problem. We've got a couple of projects that are, so to the person that wrote the question, it could be worse because we have customers where the dev team or the AI team actually is requesting PDF. So as bad as you may feel about your Markdown situation, it actually could be a whole lot worse. But ultimately, this is a problem around, it's sort of interoperability because the AI building team didn't really think too carefully about what's the input that we're going to get, right? And you could go to them and say, I have this amazing data content and I can feed it to you in all sorts of ways with taxonomy, with classification, with everything. And they say, cool, give me PDF. Or strip it down to HTML, which is, at least better than PDF. And even your Markdown example, I mean, it's not great, but it could be so much worse. So this is a problem because if we, as content people, are providing inputs to the AI, then we need to be stakeholders in how that AI is going to accept the content, right? And not just be told, give me PDF and walk away.